Hello guys and welcome to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop and resize your video in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. To crop this video, you can simply highlight your video over here and come over to Inspector. Under Video tab, you can come over to Cropping over here. Over here, you can increase the left crop or adjust the value for the right crop. You can also crop the top and crop the bottom as you desire. You can also add some softness to your crop. Another option will be to come over to this arrow over here and select crop. And right now you can come over and select this icon over here and crop it. I need to take back this softness. And you can crop out this portion over here. And let's assume you want to crop out all these mics and all these hands over here. And now if you want to resize this video, come over to this arrow once more and select it and select transform. And this icon will appear. Drag this to the center over here. And now you can rescale this video or resize this video to fit the dimension of your sequence. And that's it guys on how to crop and resize video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.